Hello students, welcome back. Let us solve another problem. So the number of integer values of m for which the quadratic expression, this is not equation, he is talking about quadratic expression, 1 plus 2m into x square minus 2 into 1 plus 3m into x plus 4 into 1 plus m is always positive. So the quadratic expression is always positive. Okay. So this is also given in JEE mains, right? So let me see the year. So it is given in JEE mains 2019, right? So let me solve. He says that this function is always positive. That means it's not going to the negative side. That means the function is something like this. It doesn't cross the zero axis. It doesn't cross the x-axis. So always positive means it is always up. Okay, above the x-axis, right? So what is the condition for this? That means the roots are imaginary. Okay, that means discriminant is less than 0, always strictly less than 0. That means d is less than 0. So d square minus 4ac is less than 0. See how simple the concept is here. Okay, if you apply concept, if you know the concept, if you apply correctly, you will get the marks easily. Okay, so please always clear with your concepts. So b square, so b is 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 into a is 1 plus 2m, c is 4 into 1 plus m is less than 0. So if I expand 4 into 1 plus 9m square plus 6m minus 16 into 1 plus 3m plus 2m square is less than 0. So 4 I can take common and cancel. So I will get 9m square plus 6m plus 1 minus 4 minus 12m minus 8m square is less than 0. So if I simplify this, I will get m square minus 6m minus 3 is less than 0. Okay, right? So this is the equation for which you cannot get roots in a straightforward factorization method. So you have to go with the formula. So if I write the formula, m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So I mean minus b means 6 plus or minus b square is 36 minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 3 by 2a, 2 into 1. So if I will get 36 plus 12 by 2. So if I simplify this, I will get 3 plus or minus, so 48 I will get. So square root of 48 I can write as 16 into 3. So 16 I can take it out of the root. So 4 root 3 I will get. So 4 root 3 I can cancel with 2. So I will get 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. So m is equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. Now what is the condition we got? This one. So for this we have derived the equation, the roots, right? Now if I rewrite this, m minus 3 plus 2 root 3, this is root, right, into m plus 3 plus 2 root 3 is less than 0. I hope you got it. So these are the roots. This one are roots. Okay. So m minus, and this is also m minus. I'm sorry. This is 3 minus 3 plus. Okay. So m minus 3 minus 2 root 3, m minus 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. I hope you got it. Right. Now, so once again, I can calculate. I need to calculate the corresponding values here. Why? Because he is asking for integer values, right? So if I calculate 2 root 3 is 3 minus 2 root 3 means root 3 is 1.732. So if I calculate 3 minus 3 minus 3.464, so that means minus minus 0.464. And similarly 3 plus 2 root 3, so is given by 3 plus 3.464, which is equal to 6.464. See, so this is minus okay, so this value is this much, this value is this much. Okay, so these are the two roots. Now once again I have to use wavy curve method. So plus minus plus, so we are looking for less than 0, so that's why we need to consider the values in the minus range. So m belongs to open interval minus 0.464 comma 6.464 open interval. These are the values we have. Now he is asking for the number of integer values of m. Okay, so what are the integers we have here? Above minus 0.464 we have immediate integer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, right? So 6 after 6, this is a decimal, we have decimals, right? So we need to consider up to 6 only. Up to 6.464 we need to consider. So that means we have integer values from 0 to 6, total 7 values. Okay, so the number of values is, the answer is 7. The answer is 7. Okay, right? Okay, he is asking for number of integer values of m. So you need to count carefully. Okay, this is what I am repeatedly saying, right? So after solving everything correctly, if you are doing mistake, then it is very painful, right? Okay, so please calculate very carefully. This is simple calculation. 3 minus 2 root 3, 3 plus 2 root 3, right? Simple calculation it is. So accordingly you can get. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. So once again I request before closing, so please subscribe the channel if you are not, and please add your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you again. Thank you.